All right, let's take a start with IELTS speaking part 1. How often do you use your mobile phone?
Uh, I mostly use my phone because of social networking and other gaming and some uh, for news and other things.
Okay. Can you describe your mobile phone?
Yes, my mobile phone was OnePlus 8. It's a American company and it is built in America, not in my country. And his mobile has many features like his uh, fingerprint lock and other some 3D functions is
Okay.
here.
What was your first mobile phone?
My first mobile phone was iPhone 5S, where I uh, bought from in 2018, and he was my first mobile phone.
Okay. Would you buy or would you like to buy a new mobile phone in the future?
Yes, I would love to like a new mobile phone because I I love phones, and I will wait iPhone 12, 14 Pro Max in the future.
Okay. How has your mobile phone changed your life?
Mobile phones has very benefits uh, for communications and other things like uh, for pictures and listening some songs, and that's why it's
Okay,
my
so mobile phone has changed my life quite a lot, and
yes
it's a good source of entertainment for me.
entertainment for me.
Okay, gradually you'll be fine. अब in books में जो questions हैं, just focus these questions and make yourself familiar and try to practice with someone, with a friend or a family member, so that you become fluent.
Yes.
Thank you.